Hey guys, I'm Sam.
I'm Jody.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We're so glad you joined us again. And what are we doing today, Jody?
Well, we are going to tour the inside of our little casita that you just found out we got. And we are going to show you what it looks like before our first trip, how we organized it. And it's probably going to change, but it's really, really cute.
Yes, so it is like a balmy 97 degrees today.
50% humidity.
Oh, 60 is what it said earlier in Lubbock, Texas. And we're going to go north for a couple of days, cool off, and try out our casita for the first time. But Jody's been working hard on the inside. I've been getting some stuff done on the outside. So we're ready for our first trip. So let's just do a quick walk around. You can see what we have set up.
Preview. It's hippie chic is what I like to call it.
So we've got, of course, we got the Honda Pilot all set up. And probably overkill, but I already had it. So I went in and put it on. Casita puts them on anyway, but we didn't have to buy the Anderson hitch system from Casita because we already had one. So we're gonna see how it works. It did not drop at all.
Yay.
Now we did haul this from Rice without it, and we probably dropped about 2 inches. So right now there's 0 drop. We're fully loaded. So we do have the Anderson hitch system on and ready. And so if you do have the big Anderson, like what we had before with the big trailers, you will have to get a smaller bracket. That bracket is rated for 3, 4, and 6-inch trailers. So
and you have to extend your chain a little bit, which is so weird because it's a smaller trailer, but the way it's positioned, you need more length.
Yeah, with the propane tank, you just need a little extra there. So we have it extended, and so it's behind the propane tanks. But we're all set to go, and let's see, what else did we do on the outside, Jody? Oh, we put the barbecue grill. So as we go around back here, we have our barbecue grill, and we just have a little Coleman tailgater type thing. I really wanted one of those cool, put in the hitch, folds out.
Looks really cool.
Looks really cool grill. You can Google those.
They're ridiculous on shipping, and we refuse to pay a premium for our product and a premium for shipping.
Took me a while to work myself up to the $600-700. Put it in the cart for like 3 weeks. And then I decided, yes, I'm gonna go and do this. And it was like $125 to ship it. Like, no, and they're not on Amazon, they're not, so I'm like, no, I'm good. Back to Coleman, put the little cargo rack on, and we'll see.
All of that is less than the price of the
oh goodness, not even
half of the grill.
$150 for the grill, $100 for the cargo carrier. So let's go inside. This is where it gets cool. Literally gets cool. We have the air conditioner on. Go ahead and go on in, Jody. Oh, before
first,
yes,
we did not want the mini blind. We did not want the mini blind. So I wanted to do funky stained glass look to give it some color in the morning when you wake up.
Yeah, so a few mistakes me putting it on, but it looks really good, I think. So we'll hop on in here.
Okay.
And it is nice and cool in here. Air conditioning's been running. Oh,
yes.
We didn't get the lights on.
It
Sorry.
is a fabulous air conditioner.
Let's get all the lights on here. So again, when we did the tour, we showed you guys the Max fan.
Yes, super
which is
fabulous.
Cool with the light.
We're looking at decorations today, honey.
Oh yes, we'll talk about that later.
Yep.
So
this is the pantry because it's usually a microwave, but we don't want a microwave when we're camping. We put some lights in there that are motion sensitive. We did add those in. My husband is awesome, and he adhesive stuck them to the back, and they're USB charging or USB?
yeah, USB-C charging.
Okay. And then
So we'll see how long they last, but right now we have it set on the auto mode, so it goes off.
And then, of course, I had to get some little baskets because I told you hippie chic. I wanted it just with baskets and not plastic things. And they just inexpensive baskets, and they fit perfectly like Jenga in there. So that's pretty awesome.
Check out that cool rug, though, before we...
Yes.
It's a little big. It's folded in half, but it looks really cool. So if you have any recommendations...
The padding, actually.
Yeah, have any recommendations on something like that? We need something that's 2 feet. Can't find a 2-footer.
But this is kind of nice with it doubled. It has a little extra padding when you're
it's
standing
really cool.
here. It's nice.
So let's go. Let's
keep going this way.
keep going this way.
Kind of stored in. This is all our cooking and dishes.
These are mugs.
Yeah, the Casita gave us mugs, and I didn't want them to break since first time.
takes a lot of space. We'll find something different.
Yes, of course. And then the sink, we got the rack in there, and there is a colander that fits here, but we took it out for travel because it'll scratch everything. Obviously, drawers.
Oh, open that drawer up.
There's a ton of storage in here, and I'm a master packer because we've moved 20 times in 30 years of marriage, 33 years. And so I can pack a box. And under here, I went ahead and did some stuff and then some baskets
More
for
baskets.
the storage because it not only cushions it, but it also looks cool.
And it keeps it from everything going everywhere. So
Yes, and then there's more baskets and just chips and this like pots and pans.
and
These are all completely empty because
All three
there's
of
a
those?
ton of storage. All three of them.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are completely empty.
So lots and lots of storage.
So we don't need that, but the bed is super cute. You gotta
Yes.
show them.
So you tell us what you did, Jody.
Well, I wanted funky flower power sheets, and then I did the soft blankets and all the eccentric pillows just to give it some character.
And then we
And
got
I
some.
chose the green from the factory. That was a choice. It was green, gray, or blue. And I chose green, and so it just looks good with the earth colors that I wanted to
And then
use.
of course a little sunshine pillow.
Yes.
Now, and we just put those green backers sideways for transport.
Yes, it holds the table secure.
So one of the things, yeah, we're gonna see here July 9th. We're gonna put on the little home on the road shocks. And they say
Yes.
that'll help a lot with stuff falling on the ground. So we'll see.
Yes. And this cabinet is very sparsely. It just has like the crank for the awning and a Swiffer mop in case we needed it for a mess. And a little bit of citronella candle and our charging cords. So it's very
Lots of room in here. And
Yes.
the closet. Oh yes, down here. Sorry.
under the benches. We also have storage, and there's a lot of storage. That's where the strainer is, and I left it wrapped because it's kind of sharp because it's the metal. And then some wipes and just paper towels, and then the wheel well is under there, taking up space. Over under this one, we have something really cool my husband wanted to have because we want to be able to go on camping trips and broadcast and do different things. So there's
Yes. So we have a Starlink, which we haven't done a video on that yet because we haven't even we tested
Haven't even used it.
When we bought it just to make sure we could activate it, and we ran wires inside for outside, and then we're going to have it all stored in here with some chairs and
and a
we've got-
blanket. There's like a ton of storage in here.
and we got a really cool suction cup mount. We're going to mount it to the outside, and we'll see how that works on our travels because we want to keep you guys posted.
Yes.
And restroom.
The restroom is super cool, and it has a ton of storage as well. It is the wet bath where the toilet gets wet when you shower.
But it makes it, again, I want to, this
Makes
isn't
it bigger.
This isn't a introductory video because we already did it, but that window, I got to tell you, if you're looking at a Casita, spend the little extra, get the window.
I think it was only $200.
$3.99.
Well, when
But-
you're buying a camper, that you can't
Yeah.
add it later. $3.99 is a small amount when
But
you're
it-
buying a camper.
But it makes it look so much bigger. And lots of storage, like I said.
Tons of storage under here that has
Open that up, Jody.
bath towels.
And that is a dry storage.
Yes, everything in there stays dry. It has soap, bath towels, a water pick, because that's a necessary thing for my health.
Now we did take off the shower head, which connects, and put it on the lower shelf because we found it on the floor after our first trip,
Right, moving it back.
just going home. So
And then I just pack all our toiletries tightly up here, and we'll separate them later, but that way they travel well.
yes, and then we also added this teak shower mat. They call it a teak shower mat, but it's got rubber feet on it already. And what's cool about that is being that it's a wet bath. Sometimes when you take your shower,
You're drying off in there, and you don't want your feet super wet, and it allows the water to go down, as well as when you're using the bathroom. That is a big step, and you feel like you're hovering.
We're a little short,
sometimes,
so-
because we're short. Well, I'm really short, so. Okay, and then this baby, I'm gonna move out of your way.
and this here, we talked about the Casita, the
Katie's closet.
Katie's closet, my tongue tied, and we have Of course, hanging clothes ready in there for our trip there, and lots of room.
We
And
didn't even use all the shelves.
we're not even really taking advantage of it. And one thing I didn't talk about is under here they call it the basement. Dome, dome, dome. There's lots of storage under there for things like the toilet pods, the things that
you
know,
don't want people to see.
Yeah, so lots and lots of room.
And again, a light we added.
We added that light, Amazon light, $21 for 2 of them. Great price. So easy closet. And again, you can kind of see what that little stained glass looks like. It's just a vinyl. A few mistakes that I made, never done that before, but it came out okay.
Honey, don't point out the mistakes. It's beautiful.
But it's set. It is. We got the hippie chic Casita set to go on its first
Roll.
adventure.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, we are so glad that you are part of our adventure. Let me kind of squeeze over here.
Yeah,
You got to get close when you're in here. But we're so thankful that you're a part of our adventure, and we look forward to telling you more about what's going on with the Casita. And like I said, you got to find new ways to have fun. Life changes. Hey,
You got to roll with it and find something that brings you joy, because, I mean, our focus is on the Lord and He brings us joy. He fills us. But you have to have some kind of recreation fun, something that
hey, God is fun. We
Yes.
we live in an amazing country, in an amazing time, and so we are going to celebrate that together with my sweetheart. I hope you do the same. But I pray most of all that you have amazing and blessed every day.
and live life to the fullest.